Hello everyone, this is Sonia Goswami. So, today I want to share with you about my experience with Volt Education. Actually, 3 months ago, I had joined Volt Education for learning spoken English. When I joined, that was my first session, and I was very hesitant to think about that what will happen in this session. I was very confused for everything what will be going in this session, and also there was also a thing that I had never used online session, so I was very confused as well. Then I started the class. I met with Mrs. Geetanjali ma'am, and I had so many my batchmates. So when I talk with them, she take everyone's intro, and as well she intro herself with us. But I was very hesitate in starting 2 to 3 sessions, because I don't have any idea for speaking English or speak in English with everyone, because and there was a rule that is this: if we can't, that is speak in only in English. If we can't speak in English, then how can we learn to speak? So I followed that rule, but I have lots of mistakes in my sentences. I have lots of hesitation while speaking. I was very tensed. Most of the time my teacher, my facilitator, was correcting me. She was Mrs. Geetanjali ma'am. She was very pretty, she was very nice teacher. She has lots of understandings. She can understood everything. And main thing is this: I speak in a very useless sentence. In my sentence there was no any sense, but she always understood what I want to say, that, and I really feel comfortable whenever she understood me. She was understood me. So but in between, because of some circumstances, my facilitator was changed, and I met then with Mrs. Nishi ma'am. She was also a very good teacher. Because with her, I learned I started to learn spoken English. She is very different kind of teacher that I had saw in my life. Every teacher, she is like very confident. She has a very nice point of view for everything. Yeah, I know everybody has a different point of view for everything, but I really like her point of views for everything, for every situation, for every condition, how to handle the situation, how to manage everything. And she is always try to learn try to learn to us that the thing is that trust yourself. And seriously, when I met with her and she said lots of line for trust to ourselves, I remember that. I noticed these things. I have lots of mistakes even still today, but I have trust myself. I can do it. But seriously, I you can also see this how can I speak right now. And the last and 3 months ago, yeah, it's 3 months ago. I was very confidence less like a girl. I was very hesitant. My old friends was make fun with me, because they think like that you don't have sense to speak in English, and I also offended there. I also offended. I feel so much offendedness there. I was very scary about that. Actually, I was a science stream student. I am a medical student, but I don't have speaking English sense of speaking English. I At that time I don't had. So but when I joined Volt Education, then I you can see me right now where I am and where I was that at that time, that I know. I really want to say thank you to Nishi ma'am, to Dr. Abhishek Jain sir, and special sorry, not Dr. Abhishek Jain sir, actually he is my medical teacher. Sorry for this line, but for Abhishek Jain sir. And a special thank you to both of you ma'am, Nishi ma'am and Mrs. Geetanjali ma'am. You are the very best teacher in my life. Thank you so much for helping me to reach at this point there today I am. And thank you also for supporting, for this sweet confidence and motivated speech that you had given to me, to everyone. Because of that also I am there, and your every speech is helpful for me, for my future, for my present, and even also for my past. Thank you so much to everyone. Thank you so much, Volt